here section 2 first question is given that, so find the equation of circles which passes through the origin. So which passes through the origin means 0 0 comma 0, so origin, and intersects at the circles here and it the orthogonally. So here this orthogonally means here we take like this, so this intersection and this intersection forming a right angle triangle where this is orthogonality. So here intersects the circle at orthogonally. Solution here will come like this. So here we'll take as a the find the equation. That equation will take x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fi plus c is equal to 0. So in this is saying that it is passes through the origin. See, I will submit in this 0 comma 0, I will submit in this one. So here origin, okay, origin O. So it will become 0 plus 2gx also 0 will come. So it will also 0 will come plus c is equal to 0 will come. So c is equal to how much here? 0 will come here. I will take this as a first equation. What I this is I will take a first equation. This I take second equation. Here please, this is I will take third equation. Okay. Now, so he saying that orthogonally, so this new equation that going to become na. So this equation and this equation orthogonally, so intersect orthogonally. No? So here orthogonally formula is 2 into g into g1 g dash plus f into f dash is equal to c plus c dash is a orthogonally formula we have to use here. Okay. Now I will use here it with this first and third. Okay, first and third equation, because this third equation, two equations go internally intersecting the orthogonally. So that's why 1 and 3 I will take first. So from 1 and 3 orthogonal, so it will become the, so from here g dash is equal to, I will take it as from this one is minus 2 I will take, and f dash is equal to 3 will take, c dash is equal to 10 will come here. So from c g like that only, f like that only, and c like that only, where c is equal to 0 we got here, c is equal to 0. If I submit in this one 2 into g dash means minus 2 plus f into f dash minus 3 here will come, only plus 3, and is equal to c plus c dash, c is equal to 0 plus c dash is equal to 10 here. So this total will become 10. Avuna? So here 2 1 ja 2 5 ja will come here. Okay. So here minus 2g plus 3f is equal to how much will come here? 5 will come here. So from 1 and 3, and we have to do 2 and 3 also. So formula is orthogonally for this one only. So we'll use, so here from this it will become 2gx, there is no 2gx means x is equal to 0. So here g is equal to also g dash is equal to 0. So f dash is equal to 6 will come here from this. Okay, and c dash is equal to 6 will come here. So we'll submit in this one 2 into like g into g dash plus f into f dash is equal to 6, and is equal to c is equal to 0 no already. So c1 is equal to this one plus 0 no, so 6 only come. 2 1 ja 2 3 ja will come here. So from this 6 f is equal to 3 will come here. So f is equal to 3 by 6 will come. So 3 1 ja 3 2 ja. So means f is equal to how much? 1 by 2 will get here. Now from this f is got as f is equal to 1 by 2 no. So I will submit f in this like this one. So we'll get the another equation. So not g value we get here, minus 2 into g plus 3 into f is equal to 1 by 2 no. So is equal to 5. So this is 3 by 2 will come, minus 2g is equal to 5 minus 3 by 2, 2 5 ja 10, 10 minus 3 7 by 2 will come here. So again it will become g is equal to 7 divided by this 2 minus 2 will come divide na. So it will become 2 2 ja 4, minus 4 will come here g value. So what is the equation will come here? X square plus y square, here g is equal to 2gx means what will come here? 2 into plus 2 into minus 7 by 2, 2gx plus x will there plus 2fi, 2 into f is equal to how much we got? 1 by 2 into f plus c is equal to how much we got here? g 0. So 0. So it will become, what is the answer here? X square plus y square. So 2 2 will get cancelled, minus 7xy will remain here, and from this 2 2 will get cancelled here, plus y will remain here, is equal to 0 is the answer here. So this is this question is very very important. Okay, this type of question may be asked you in 2 marks question like this. So now moving to the next question. Now second question also same here, solution. So given question are so what we have to find the equation no? So x square, let x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fi plus c is equal to 0 will take here. So this is first and this is second and this is third. We'll think that. Okay, we'll take. So here from 1 and 2 orthogonally, no? So orthogonally. So this 1 and 2. So after that we'll do 1 and 3. Okay. So here from orthogonally formula is 2 into g dash plus f dash is equal to c plus c dash, no? So from this we'll do here here we'll get g dash is equal to from 1. G dash is equal to, sorry, this is 2, no? So this is 2, from 2 g dash is equal to how much we'll get here, minus 2, and f dash is equal to minus 3 will get, and c dash is equal to minus 3 will get here. So I will submit in this one. It will become 2 into g dash minus 2 plus f dash minus 3 is equal to c dash, no? C is equal to, will first it will goes through the origin, no? Origin means it will become also, here will come as c is equal to 0, 2gx plus 2f plus c is equal to 0, c is equal to 0 will come. So if given equation this what we have taken, so it going to orthogonally, no? So this one, so it passes through the origin, so that's why I took here origin. It will become c is equal to 0 will come here, where c value is 0 plus c dash is equal to minus 3 will come here, this minus 3. So it will become 2 into minus 2g plus, sorry, minus only 3f will come here is equal to minus 3 will come here. So I will common this minus 3 from these two terms. It will become 2g plus 3f is equal to, so it will become minus 2, minus 3 by minus 2 will come here. Okay, minus minus will get cancelled, minus 2 will come means here minus, here minus, I will common to this one. Okay, so here, so that will I bring to the right side of the equation, so it will become 3 by 2 will come. So where this is we got here as 4th. Okay, now we have to do 1 and 3. So 1 3 is equal to, so from 3 what we will get, g dash is equal to how much we'll get here, also g is equal to what we get here, 0 also. Okay, 0 is a g for this one, and here g dash is equal to 0, and f is equal to what we'll get here, minus 4 will get here, plus c dash is equal to 12 will get here. We'll submit in this one, so it will become so g into g dash, no? 0 plus f into f dash, no? So this is f dash, f is f into f dash minus 4 into 2 is equal to c1 plus c2, no? C1 is how much, c is equal to 0, no? C plus c dash, no? C is equal to 0 plus c dash is equal to 12. So this is 2 1 ja, 2 6 ja, 12 get cancelled. Here it will become 0, f is equal to minus 4 is equal to 6 will come here. So f is equal to what will get, 6 by minus 4 will get, 2 3 ja, 2 2 ja, so is equal to minus 3 by 2 will get, is equal to f is equal to this I will submit in the fourth equation. It will become 2 into g plus 3 into f minus 3 by 2 3 by 2 is equal to 3 by 2 here, 3 by 2 minus 3 by 2, no? So this one, so it will become 3 3 are 9, 2g plus minus will come minus 3 3 are 9 by 2 is equal to 3 by 2 will come here, 3 by 2 will come here, and after that, so here we'll get 2g is equal to so this will goes here, na, 3 by 2 plus 9 by 2, so it will become how much will become, 12 by 2 will come, na? So 2 1 ja, 2 6 ja, and g is equal to 6 by 2 we can take here. So this is f is equal to how much got, 3 by 2. So equation will become x square plus y square plus 2gx, no? 2 into g is equal to 6 by 2 and 2gx plus 2fi. 2fi means 2gx plus 2fi. 2fi into means 2 into f is equal to minus 3 by 2 y plus c is equal to how much, 0 is equal to 0 here. So it will become x square plus y square. So 2 1 get cancel, 6x here, 2 3 ja 6 minus 6 no 2 1 ja 2 1 ja get cancel, minus 3 by will remain here is equal to 0 will come here the answer.